I'm recording now. It's hard to get her face. Maybe you should try to record her face. No, no,
Chubby
no.
legs.
Okay, maybe we'll try to. Whoa. Are you so clever?
How old are you?
Don't keep doing that same thing. One, good job.
Snap your fingers.
Let her just be natural.
Okay.
I've already gotten video of all that. Let her close it. I got her.
Okay, okay.
Here, you close the door. What are you gonna do now? Yeah, this is a camera. You can talk. Can you sing a song? What song do you want to sing? Can you sing Five Little Monkeys? Yeah, good job. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Are those your feet? Yeah. Oh, careful, baby. Mommy doesn't want you to fall. Alicia Bear. You're recording Mommy's leg. Uh-oh. Icky tea, picky tea for sticky tea. Good job. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah. Is that video you're taking of yourself?